Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check transaction history on iPhone. And here's how it's done. To start, open the App Store and check for any app purchases, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. Tap on your profile in the top right corner, then select Purchase History. Here, you can view all your transactions from the last 3 months. For example, if you see Apple One Premiere, you can tap on the total to get more details, including the subtotal, taxes, the credit card use, order date, and order number. Next, let us check your Apple Pay transaction history. Go to your settings and scroll down to Wallet and Apple Pay. If you have a credit or debit card link, tap on it, and at the top, select Info and then Transactions. This will show all your purchases. You can tap on each one for more details about those specific transactions linked to your Apple Pay and card. And that is everything you need to know about how to check transaction history on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.